Ratio and unit rate quiz. Write the ratio and explain what the ratio means. Number 1, cats to dogs. Now write the ratio and explain what the ratio means. Number 2, boys to girls. Write the ratio and explain what the ratio means. Number 3 and 4, you're finding the missing values in the ratio table. Then you have to write the equivalent ratios after you have filled in the missing values in the table. It's a two-part question. Fill in the table and then write the equivalent ratios from the table. Write a rate that represents the situation. So number 5, you're looking at hours and days. Choose any rate, only one, from the double line graph. Number 6, quarts to containers. Choose any rate from the double line graph that represents the situation. Write a unit rate for the situation. So unit rate is for 1. So for number 7, 25 words in 5 minutes, you need to set this up as an equivalent rate. How many words are in 1 minute? Number 8, $3.42 for 6 bananas. How much is it for 1 banana? Number 9, 36 meters in 4 seconds. How many meters in 1 second? Number 10, 600 miles on 20 gallons. How many miles in 1 gallon? Number 11, this is a tricky one. If you're having a hard time with this problem, you can skip it and come back to it, but I'm going to read it to you. There are 99 students in the running club. The ratio of girls to boys is 8 to 3. How many girls are in the running club? What is the ratio of girls to students? It's a two-part question. So you're going to use that ratio given to you of girls to boys, 8 to 3. You have to guess and check to increase that ratio to where it totals out to be 99 students. Again, this is a tricky one. If you're having a hard time, skip it and come back to it. Number 12, it costs $33 for 6 movie tickets. How much does it cost for 7 movie tickets? Set up your equivalent rates. Number 13, decide whether the following rates are equivalent. Equivalent means equal. Are they the same? 10 pages in 20 minutes and 20 pages in 32 minutes. And number 14, you can spend $11.92 on an 8-pack of paper towels, or $15.64 on a 12-pack. Which is the better buy? Set up the unit rate to determine that.